Are you looking for the best Tiger rice cooker? In this video, we will break down the top 3 Tiger rice cooker. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Tiger JBV8U. This rice cooker is usually in high demand for the middle class. This cooker can cook 5.5 cups of rice cooker. This rice cooker is for you if you are alone or have a small number of people. The rice cooking cycle in the rice cooker is completed by keeping the food hot for 12 to 18 hours. It saves a lot more time than cooking in your oven. The cooks of this model cook in a very short time. You can finish the cooking process with a few chips at any time within 24 hours. The size of the cooker is about W10.6 into D13.9 into H8.4 inches and fits well in any kitchen. What else do you want? This rice cooker allows you to cook rice and food at the same time. Yes, it is possible. This great Tiger rice cooker includes 10 cooking settings and an active keep warm function. At number 2, Tiger Jazz 8U FH. The Tiger JZ8U FH 5.5 cup rice cooker is a convenient and easy-to-use rice cooker. It has a capacity of 5.5 cups and will suit the needs of many households while also being user-friendly for first-time customers. It performs nicely with a one-button operation and also includes a light indicator that lets you know when your rice is ready. It is made by Tiger and operates. It's also perfect for preparing single servings or larger portions of up to 10 cups. The stylish design features a convenient control panel with a one-button operation, a light indicator, and easy cleanup. The easy-to-follow measuring cup is included along with a handy spatula and rice scoop so you can get straight to cooking. The best Tiger rice cooker is perfect for fulfilling your household's meal requirements. This user-friendly version from Tiger is acceptable for first-time customers in addition to seasoned cooks. It's a single-button functioning, along with a light indicator that lights up when the rice has been cooked. It functions on a flat heating system model, and the skillet must be set in contact with the heating system. At number 3, Tiger Jax T10U. Tiger JX T10U is another great cooker. The black body of steel may be your choice at first sight. This is an updated version of JBV equipped with the Tacos feature. It is again made by Micom Technology, which can give you the best food by adjusting the pressure at low temperature while cooking. It is a device you can't believe, but it's true. Make rice perfectly every time you do. Anyone can experiment with different varieties of rice to make perfectly fluffy white rice. This cooker is made with advanced steel technology. It has the capacity to cook 5.5 cups of rice and has 10 different types of cooking settings. This means that you can cook everything from the food of your choice. If a 5.5 cup cooker is not enough, you can take a 10 cup cooker. Tiger JX T10U middle family likes it great. Also, with the help of this single device can give 10 cups of rice, which is enough to feed the whole family in one cooking cycle. It has an active keep warm function which is very easy to clean. In this rice cooker, you will find a pot inside a taco plate, a measuring cup, a steam vent cup, and an admirable cooking book.